This Chinese fashion company creates product images for half a yuan. That's less than 10 cents. No models, no studios, no photoshoots. Just AI. And this single change saved them 1.2 million RMB, about 170,000 US dollars every year. If you want to know how they did it and whether you can do it too, watch till the end. By the way, I'm Scarlett. On this channel, I break down how Chinese companies actually use AI to reshape their cost, scales, and business models. No hype, just real cases. Okay, let's get back to the case. This company is called JieZhan, a fashion supply chain company in China that sells menswear online. Last year, they became the top menswear seller on 1688, Alibaba's B2B platform in China. But what matters more is how they got there. Fashion is about speed, but traditional fashion is expensive and slow. First, product images are expensive. Models, photographers, studios, locations. Second, every time you launch new products, you repeat the whole process. So for companies like JieZhan, this means high costs and very slow product launches. JieZhan decided to change one thing. They replaced traditional photo shoots with AI-generated images. Now, generating one image costs around 0.5 RMB, roughly 7 US cents. A full set of images for one clothing item costs around 5 RMB. Before AI, the same set could cost them over 700 RMB. But here's the key part. They generate images before making the actual curves. This completely changed their launch speed. Because AI doesn't need sleep, they cannot finish an entire seasonal launch in one day. What used to take weeks now take hours. Over a year, this saved them around 1.2 million RMB in shooting and production costs. As a result, a design team of more than 20 people became unnecessary. Not because AI is coming for a job, but because the old workflow no longer existed. Now let's zoom out. This case isn't just about saving money. It's about changing the workflow. Before AI, content creation was linear and heavily dependent on large design teams. You had to plan, shoot, edit, publish, and then wait for market feedback. The entire cycle typically took 7 to 14 days. The problems? Slow production, high trial and error costs, and severely delayed feedback. With AI, the workflow is completely reversed. Content is generated first. Images are created at near zero cost, uploaded immediately, and tested directly in the market. Each piece of content becomes an experiment. AI analyzes performance data in real time, scaling what converts and stopping what doesn't. Only the designs that convert move into real production. Let me show you how it works before. In the traditional system, humans decide what content to create, how to create it, how much to create. Data is only used for reference. Now, here is where it gets interesting. In the AI system, humans decide only 3 things: product direction, brand boundaries, stopping rules, and AI decides everything else. So the job change is not photography is gone, editing is gone. It is that creative roles have become system operation roles. That's the fundamental reason why JieZhan can scale. AI transforms growth from being labor-intensive to system-intensive. AI didn't make content cheaper. It just made failure cheaper. They didn't optimize the old process. They remove it. They don't really hire models anymore. They hire GPUs. Why does this work especially well in China? First, competition is brutal. Speed matters more than perfection. Second, the companies here are willing to completely rebuild workflows if the economics make sense. Third, the supply chain here is fast and flexible. If something works, it spreads quickly. AI in China is not a tech upgrade. It's a business weapon. Could this work outside China? Yes, but only companies actually change how they think and how they operate. AI alone doesn't create results. Speed, decision making, and business mindset do. This is just one example of how Chinese companies are using AI to cut costs and move faster. In the next videos, I will show you more real cases, from fashion to manufacturing and beyond. If you want to understand where product businesses are heading next, this channel is for you.